Hello beautiful people, it's your girl once again, Eloho, with another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So I got some items, some hair products and also makeup products from Beauty Bay. This is the first time buying from them, so I'm going to be unboxing this little box together with you. Hope you enjoy this video. Now let's get into the unboxing. So it's quite a little box. I bought just a few things. As you could see, they're really little. So first of all, with the stuffing, and I thought I'm gonna put a price list so I can tell you how much I bought it, but they didn't put the price list, just the invoice which had the price list. And I'm going to list down all the products I bought in the description box below, so endeavor to check it out, and really affordable. So the first thing I got was this bad boy. So I got the Cantu avocado hydrating repel leave-in. So it contains olive oil, aloe vera and shea butter. So it's a leave-in. I wanted to try out the leave-in cream. So it's going to help protect your hair and also give you like a stronger hair. It's going to make it easier actually to like go through this winter, because during winter my hair tends to be very dry and stubborn. So I use shea butter, but I still love a good leave-in conditioner. And since this one has shea butter in it, it has avocado in it, that's really good products, and also aloe vera. These are amazing products, guys. You really need to try this out. So I'll be using it, and anytime I get to use it, I'll make sure I make a video to show you guys how I'll be using it. Okay, so first one. Next thing I got also from Cantu is the Cantu shea butter hydrating leave-in conditioner mixed. So I think this one is more, it's still a leave-in, but it's more like a mist spray that you can just wet your hair with, and it will help you out in conditioning your hair, makes it more moisturized. I need all the moisture I can get for this winter. So this one contains shea butter as well, and also it's great for your hair. So I'll be using this as well. It's also going to add shine to your hair, so I'll be using this as well time to time, and I'll make sure to show a video. Okay, so the next thing in my box is Jamaica mango and lime black castor oil with peppermint. Guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. So I have Jamaican black castor oil, the regular one, but they've been making different kind of varieties, putting different things into the Jamaican oil, and I think that's nice. It's good to have diversity. Drama. So I got this one that contains peppermint, and peppermint is really good in stimulating hair growth. It also promotes healthy scalp. So if you have like dandruff and scalp related diseases, this is going to help you out because there's peppermint in it. So I'll be using it to massage my scalp time to time, and also my daughter's zone. Okay, and the next thing I got is not hair related, but it's makeup. So I got soap brow. So I've been saying soap brow, I've never used it. I do like the way my brow looks, but most times I use edge control, the normal edge control. I can't find it right now, but that's what I normally use in setting my brow to make it stay in place, as you can see. So I'm going to be trying out this. So it's very little. It's like this. It's quite little, but it's gonna go a long way. It's gonna go a long way. So let's drop that and continue with the haul. Thing I'm going to be, I bought as the blush. So I want a good blush that will suit my dark skin. As you can see, I'm very melaninized. So what's the word? And all those pink blushes, I use the pink one right now. They don't come out on my skin. They don't come out. Let's not lie. It will not show. So I got this one, orange color. I think this one is Cora. So I've been able to remove it from the box. And this is it. It's Cora, and this is it. Let's open it up so we can see it better. Oh, I've scattered it. No, nice one. Cora. So this quite look nice. I think so. It's gonna suit my skin. It's gonna come out on my skin. It's nice, right? I'm gonna try it out some other time. So come out. I've scattered it. So I got another one in the color. This is called Cosmo color. So it's quite reddish, pinkish red. So I think this one is gonna come out as well. Yep, it came out. It's just how I want it to have a rosy chic. Come on, it's nice. It's nice. I think I like it. I'm gonna use a brush later to fluff it up, but it's nice. I like this one. Then I got another one. It's more like a bronzer because it's really brown, but it has like wine in it. That's why I got it, because it's like a wine, brownish wine. I don't know. So, what do you think? I can't pretend there's no more chic to apply it to. So let me apply it now. Let's be white. Not bad. Not bad. This now I applied it. Please, I'll go and brush it up or clean this makeup now. But it's gonna show. It's gonna show. I like it. It's gonna show. I like the 3 colors I got. I really do like it. So now I got 3 sets of blushes. I'm leaving white and reckless. So the next thing I got is this bad boy. That's the last thing. The last thing I got is a lip liner. So I wanted like a brown lip liner, so I'll stop using my eyebrows pencil to line my lip, because sometimes when I want to line my lip and I bring out my eyebrow pencil, it'll be sticky. I'm like, why is it sticky? I've used to line my lip and apply lip gloss on it, so that is why. So that's the end of I look like a masquerade with this. It is on. I look like a masquerade. Oh my god. Oh guys, manage me like this, please. I'm like work on it to make it better. So this is the end of my unboxing video. Thank you so much for staying up to this moment. I really appreciate you. Remember to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, so you can see this beautiful face. Yes, and also remember to like this video as usual, comment down below and share with your friends and family. Till my next video, peace, love and light. Bye.